Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In today's episode, we're going to have a slight unboxing and then we're going to get stuck into rebuilding the Metro Turbo calipers. Let's get into it.
I know you don't love me like you say you do.
Okay then, so box number one. These are the repainted calipers, and they have been opened already because they went back to Paul. He had a little look at them, took some measurements, and then they're now back with me. So that is the first half of the calipers, looking pretty swanky. And look at that. That's the other side. So got my two halves, and they are going to look phenomenal on the car. And these are the other sides as well. So I'm going to leave them for now because they're basically the exact same as them. Next up, we have a box from Mini Spares. This has just been delivered to me now. So this is the new Caliper Piston, which will look great once it's all fitted. Stainless steel, so it should never ever rust. So it should have eight of those in that bag. What else is in this box? Wow, a piston seal kit. So we've got the large pistons, the smaller pistons, and then the metal retaining rings, so they can get fitted. And put that packs with the other calipers. So yeah, they're all going to get done. And then I also ordered this little cherub. So this is an aluminium piece of tooling, and what this is supposed to do is get the smaller washer and the retaining ring. Going to go in like that. That's going to fit inside the middle. And then what I'm going to do, using this tool, get pressed down into the caliper, and that will then seal this ring in place. So let's get into it, shall we? But unfortunately these kits don't come with any grease, so when I did the BMWs, I had these packs left over. I haven't opened this one, and this one has still got some of the red grease in. Now this is for rubber, so that's going to be used with seating these new boots. So I get all the bits laid out. So I've got a fin washer, metal cap, thick washer. So the thick washer, you'll probably see the difference here. Hopefully see the difference. The thick washer goes at the bottom and the thinner washer goes up the top. So just working the grease into these seals, and then I can just place that inside. One piston done. Now this grease is to help lubricate these seals. It's also going to help when they go and put the piston in place for it to slide in nice and freely. Right, let's try this way then, so it makes a nice even application. Beautiful. Right, on this side, so the idea, put the seal, or the rubber in the seal, slide it onto the tool, so that's the piston now lubricated. Time to move on the other three sides. Right, okay, there we have it. Pistons are all fitted, the seals are all fitted, and they're actually a lot simpler than I thought. The BMW brakes I did previously, the kits were pretty straightforward, and actually it was, again, a lot easier. I thought these may be a little bit more tricky because obviously it's older technology and stuff, but actually went together really, really easily. So yeah, the piston kits and the seals are all from mini spares. It took a while to arrive, but obviously given the current climate with the coronavirus, etc., that's completely understandable. But yeah, they look absolutely phenomenal. The only thing we are missing for these kits are the seals to go into this part here, and obviously on the other side as well. It's a tiny little rubber seal, quite a fat seal, but that seal actually stops the fluid leaking between the left and the right hand side of each of the calipers. So on the lookout for those. If you know where you can get them from, please comment below because it would be really, really beneficial. Also, this tool, absolutely phenomenal. It made this job so much easier, and nothing got damaged. I was a little bit concerned if I was going to be hitting that metal seal with a hammer, that would get damaged. So it was £20 for the actual kit, and £5 postage. And it was made out of a block of aluminium, so that was a phenomenal find. I found on eBay searching for classic mini workshop tools or classic mini tools, and this guy created them for the 7.5s, the 8.4s, and he did this one as a one-off for the Metro Turbo calipers for me. So I believe, I've got a feeling I'm probably going to get back to this guy and get the 8.4s as well, just so I have that for whenever I need to do any calipers. So really straightforward process to do these. Just make sure you use plenty of rubber grease on those seals when they go in, and I also put rubber grease around the piston as I pushed it in. Now, some people say that will contaminate the brake fluid, but there's quite a tight fit between the piston and the seal, and a lot of that will actually just end up pushing off on the side of the piston. So I'm pretty confident that's going to be alright. I did exactly the same setup with the BMW, and then brakes are phenomenal. So yeah, I'll leave this here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed the content, as always, please click that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content. Nice and straightforward how to fit pistons and seals into a Metro Turbo caliper. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.